Carbon dioxide, or CO2, is all around us. While it is necessary to sustain life on Earth, humans' industrial activities have produced too much CO2 for the natural ebbs and flows of the carbon cycle to handle. Now, a buildup of CO2 is causing problems, from extreme weather to loss of biodiversity to pollution in cities. It may even be the reason you feel sleepy at work if you spend time in an office or school with a lot of people. You see, humans generate CO2 themselves as they breathe. This CO2 gets trapped inside a building and needs to be pushed out by ventilation. For building owners or operators, high levels of ventilation can be expensive, and the energy required to heat or cool new air can also produce excess carbon dioxide through the burning of fossil fuels. At Carbon Reform, we've found a way to decrease this energy burden by filtering CO2 from ventilation air and permanently storing it in mineral form. We also capture any remaining pollutants in the building so that the amount of replacement air from outside the building can be reduced in favor of recycling the cleaned air from our device. Our patent-pending indoor air quality device, the Carbon Capsule, is a retrofit for any existing commercial HVAC system, old or new. We simply divert some of the building's return air, high in CO2 content from its occupants, through our device, and our partners' filters capture dust, viruses, and other pollutants that may have come off of furniture or clothing. And our proprietary mesh catches the CO2. Once the mesh is saturated, it is automatically washed in a bath containing pellets of our conversion material, a carbon-neutral calcium hydroxide, also known as lime. The CO2 reacts with the water and lime to form calcium carbonate or limestone. Once the conversion is complete, the limestone pellets are pumped out of the building to an external storage container, and new lime is pumped in. The limestone produced by this process is a carbon-negative material which can be used in green construction or other projects. Installing our devices in a large building, like the Empire State Building in New York, could reduce over 6,000 tons of carbon dioxide per year just from that building. In New York, this amount of carbon is worth $1.2 million. At Carbon Reform, we're working towards clean air for people and our planet while providing value-adding services for our customers. If you're interested in energy-saving clean air for your building's occupants, revenue from carbon credits, or just want to learn more, please follow along in our climate-positive journey.